You see, when you were a kid, the possibilities were just simply limitless. You could do whatever you wanted. You had untethered creativity, free to explore, experiment, and exercise your imagination. You could draw, you could sculpt, and allow yourself to be free to express yourself through your art. And as kids, that's empowering and helps you to build your self-confidence. And when you grow up, some of that gets lost. And I'm here to bring you back in, to experience the value and benefits of drawing, painting, and creating your own art. To once again experience what it feels like to be free and to express yourself. It doesn't matter what stage you are in your life, or even how old you are. It doesn't matter whether you feel you are talented or have some sort of magical ability. It doesn't matter whether you feel good enough. What matters is that you get started, to express yourself without the fear of judgment. So many people feel they don't have a creative side, but the truth is, everyone does. It's just that you haven't discovered how to unlock your true potential. And on Driven to Draw, I'm going to show you how to bring your drawings to life. We'll explore drawing fundamentals, sketching techniques, painting, and how to use art to tackle stress, to get out of your comfort zone, and to help you realize your untapped potential. All it takes is a pencil to get started. Welcome to Driven to Draw.